Language. 1. Listen and repeat these questions, paying attention to their rising intonation.
1. Do you agree with me?
2. Can you talk about the effects of global warming?
3. Do you think that we can reduce our carbon footprint?
4. Is it true that global warming is getting worse?
5. Are most of the environmental problems caused by humans?
2. Listen and mark rising intonation on the echo questions. Then practice reading the exchanges.
1. Most of the environmental problems are man-made.
Man-made?
2. Scientists are concerned about the effects of global warming.
Scientists are concerned about what?
3. I cycle to work every day.
You do?
4. By 2050, rising temperatures could lead to the extinction of 1 million species.
The extinction of 1 million species?
5. In order to save our environment, we should reduce our use of paper products.
We should do what?